Hey everybody, my name's Jaime, channel's Divinely Canadian Tarot, and I'm here to do a love reading for you guys for Leos. And Leos, as usual, messages may or may not resonate, so you'll keep the messages that resonate, the ones that don't, just for another Leo who's watching. Don't want to create yourself a story that does not exist, right? Cards in the reverse, upside down, I read intuitively, so I'll provide you messages from spirit guides. Okay, so let's get started here. And this is Skywalker, who's going to be snoring here for me the whole time I'm reading. So unless he decides to give you a show, maybe he'll do some pirouettes later, who knows. Okay, so Leo, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So if you're just wondering why you're attracted to someone, but they're not your physical type, like it's not somebody you would ever, walk up to and, ask out or be tempted to, go, like, don't you think that person's good looking? There isn't that kind of a connection, but there's this intense attraction. And it's because your soulmate doesn't have a choice, okay? What vessel they travel in. So whether you find them appealing or not, they're in there and they're trying to get your attention, and you're feeling this person's energies, and you know that this is a soulmate, but you're just not usually attracted to them, but you really are attracted to this person, and you can't even explain to yourself why. That's why. Okay, so then we've got calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. So, manifestation a little bit. Calling in your soulmate. I wonder if we're going to see some magician energy for you. Oh, and new love. A new person has stirred romantic feelings. So, if you just started dating somebody and you just don't understand why you're attracted to this person, and you just keep asking yourself, what is it about this person? What is it? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay? And I have these cards as well here. These are the Archangel messages here. And he's just peace. That's just going to say he's at peace. He's like really chilling, and then peace comes out. He's cutting some wood quite heavily. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can hear him, but whew, he's loud. So, forgive me with my pronunciations, even though je parle deux langues, even though I speak two languages, j'ai de la difficulté à lire. I have some difficulties with the pronunciation of these, okay? So we've got clairaudience. Archangel Zadkiel. Notice the loving guidance you hear inside your mind or from other people. So are you hearing like people trying to give you advice, or even your mind, your intuition, talking to you, telling you, go for it, go for it? And his snoring is very distracting, so I'm just going to fluff him up a little bit here and get him to stop. See his tail there? I know this is the longest tail I've ever seen on a cat before. Anyway, yeah, he loves how I pick on him. And then we've got overcoming difficulties. Archangel Jeremiel. The worst is now behind you, and you are now surrounded. You are now surmounting any previous challenge. My goodness, I told you I couldn't read these cards. It's just the glow on them. They're just so shiny, and I don't know. I just have a hard time seeing it. So we've got Archangel. Okay. I'm probably like going like, you guys are probably like, Jamie, are you feeling okay? I am. I just went running for 20 minutes, and my mouth is just so dry. And I forgot to bring water up, and I haven't ran or jogged or done anything like all winter long. So yeah, that was quite a challenge. So pardon me if I'm having a hard time with that. I have dry mouth, okay? So just bear with me, please. Archangel Jeremiel. The worst is now behind you, and you are now surmounting any previous challenge. So that means you're just, going right by them. So peace. Archangel Shemuel. Peace comes from remembering that only love is real. Oh my goodness. I feel like the desert. Okay, I still have a little bit of this drink, so I'm going to have some. I just wish I brought water. That would do much better. Because I'm just going to dehydrate myself more. Okay. Anyhow, let's move on. So we've got the Life Purpose Oracle with all my hair inside my glasses here. Okay, so, well, there we go. We've got all three here already. So, infinite abundance. You're fully supported as you devote yourself to the divine life purpose. Wow. Well, that's nice. It's pretty much telling you to just keep doing what you're doing because you're being supported. And then you've got creative expression. Your soul longs to express itself creatively. So have you been doing like some painting or some even pottery or something that's, helping you be creative, even writing? And protected. You're safe and supported while you change your career. For some of you who are thinking or wanting to change your career or about to change your career. And infinite abundance. You're supported as you devote yourself to the divine life purpose, which could be your life change is your career. Because, your career is a big part of your life, right? You're at work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week for most of us. And that's a long time. You're there more than you're with your family. So you want to make sure that you're happy and feel like that's going to be you being very content. And it says you're protected, right? Okay, so let's see what is going on. And you don't necessarily need to be starting a new job. Like I said, you may or may not resonate. But I feel like this is more about this new person that's in your life, Leo. So let's see what's going on with your energies. Hopefully I can speak better. I feel a lot better now that I took a drink. So felt like my mouth was like the desert. Okay, so we've got the 9 of Cups. Wish fulfillment. Nice. And then we've got, wow, the 9 of Pentacles. Enjoying the fruits of your labor, enjoying the hard work that you put in, and feel like you really enjoy the nice things in life. You like to, treat yourself, pamper yourself. Nothing wrong with that. Feel like the way you dress is important when you leave the house. Maybe not necessarily when you're at home. We mostly sit in our yoga pants or jogging pants, and we hopefully don't leave looking like that. But yeah, I do leave with my yoga pants on because some days I just really don't care. But I make sure that the rest of me looks okay. And look at you. You're single right now, abundant. Your wish is coming true, and you're just protecting your heart. Guarding it for dear life with those arms, those swords, and that blindfold. You could easily undo that blindfold and just move forward, but you're not sure what to do. And the Page of Pentacles, somebody's trying to give you an offer. Okay, I feel like there's an offer here that is coming to you. Could be someone younger. The Ace of Swords. I feel like this new beginning is very abundant, and I feel like that is what that offer is that's coming your way. Somebody wants a new beginning. They see victory with you. They see, and this could be that soulmate that, it differs from your usual type and expectation. I'm really feeling that this person is just not somebody that you usually go for. Just looks, personality, but you're attracted to this person. Okay? And you just don't know why. 9 of Cups, we're clarifying here. Okay, so with the 9 of Cups, we're clarifying with the Knight of Air. That is the Knight of Swords. Somebody is wanting to come in real quick. This is one of the fastest moving energies. I feel like they want to tell you something. I feel like this person is very intelligent, very motivated, and very determined to get you to see them. 8 of Water. I feel like there's a past, perhaps, that you haven't let go of. And that's what's a little bit hard for you to move forward with that 2 of Swords. Because you're questioning yourself, you're questioning your decision-making skills, you're questioning a lot about yourself. And I'm feeling like that's the reason why. So this is, excuse me. Okay, so we got searching, empowerment, fulfillment. So the 8 of Waters is the 8 of Waters. The 8 of Water. I can't speak today. Something's really wrong with my vocabulary and my capability of just speaking. Eight of Water. Could be something to do with your reading. I don't know, man, but I haven't had difficulty all day until I started to do this reading. So this is needing to let go as well. Letting go to move forward. See how there's an angel? I feel like that's a guardian angel helping you move forward. Searching for empowerment, fulfillment. Because it's just, you're not happy. You're on your way to look for those 9 and 10 of Cups. And Page of Air. Truthful, analytical, and outspoken. I feel like this person you're dealing with is very truthful, analytical, and outspoken. I feel like you're trying to get information about this person. You're trying to figure them out. You're trying to see if they really are who they say they are. Okay? Because I feel like you've been lied to before, and your trust within people is a little bit guarded, okay? So the 9 of Pentacles we're clarifying next. Oh, look, the Page of Water. I don't know who's telling somebody they have feelings for them, but this person's very open-hearted and very intuitive and really trying to connect with you. So I'm feeling like it's more the other person and not you. Oh yeah, 6 of Air. You need to let go of that past. You're holding on to drama, conflict, some past energies that just really cause a lot of drama and conflict for you, and you need to let that go. Relief, hope, moving on, moving forward. That is the motion of letting go of the past and moving forward. So don't dwell on the past, don't dwell on the future, focus on the now. So that the now is what's most important, okay? So don't think, oh, well, if I do this, and it's okay to, think action or reaction. If I do this, this will happen. That's okay. It's just analyzing it to death, and can really cause a lot of problems mentally, And 4 of Air, which is the 4 of Swords. There's a lot of swords here, a lot of air. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. So I don't know if you're dealing with a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, but holy shit bonkers, y'en a beaucoup. There's a lot of this energy, okay? And 4 of Swords, you know what that is? That's you needing to take a step back, rest, take in that ray of sunshine, meditate, relax, and realize what it is that you want. Okay? You need to heal from that past. You need to let it go, and the universe is really telling you, like, let that shit go, okay? Because there's somebody who wants to give you love, an offer of love. They're telling, I'm not saying this person's like, oh, I've been in love with you my whole life. It's not like that. It's, we could have something together. We could be together, but you need to let go of worrying that I'm going to jet off. Okay, so I feel like that's you. You're just like, well, are they going to stick around? Are they going to break my heart and then I'm going to have to find a way to mend it again? Because I feel like you're really tired of mending that heart of yours. Ace of Earth. They want to offer you an abundant, beautiful new beginning. And you're like, this is too good to be true. And you're wondering why you're attracted to this person once again. You're like, this person differs so much from my usual type, but I've got this attraction to them. I don't know what it is. Yeah, because it's your soulmate. It's not, it's a soulmate, and this is abundance, opportunity. And I feel like that's what they're coming in with. You've got 2 aces. Knight of Fire, you're used to Rico Suave. Okay, my merch here. Rico Suave for me is the Knight of Wands. We come in and we give you some really good, hot, naughty sex. And then we disappear for a while. And you message them and you're like, why aren't they getting back to me? I guess they're busy. And then they finally get back to you, and then, you meet up again, and then it's just, good. They disappear again. And you're like, okay, what is going on here? And then you realize that you are dealing with Rico Suave, who likes to give you some good boom boom in the room, and then, go call somebody else in their black book and leave you waiting for the next time they want you again. So it's not a good energy to be in. This is a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, fire energy. So you could be dealing with another Leo or an Aries or Sagittarius, but this person is very confident, very passionate, and very adventurous. They're a lot of fun, but they don't stick around. They're a knight. Okay? So, and then we've got, the King of Earth. This is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be dealing with an earth sign. Someone who's very confident, dresses very well, is very abundant, very intelligent, very capable, and somebody who likes to be a bit traditional, but they also, are somebody who is a very good spouse and a good parent and somebody who's got their shit together. So I feel like this is the person that's coming in right now. This is a person who's ready for marriage, ready for commitment, whatever it is. You don't have to get married here, but I'm just saying this person wants to offer you a commitment, and it's like you're shitting bricks. You're like, I don't know, man. These readings just are always similar there, Leo. I feel like you guys are just having a hard time letting somebody in because you're still hurt from your past. Ace of Swords is clarified by an ending and a new beginning. A whole new world. I feel like you're going to have a whole new world, okay? This is an ending and a new beginning, kind of like a season ending and a new beginning, kind of like, spring and then summer. It's like, whoo, fantastic. If you're Canadian, you know what I mean. Suffering, freezing our asses. Like, it just snowed a couple days ago. It's like, can you freaking leave, please? Can you freaking leave, please? So this is clarifying the Page of Pentacles. This person wants to offer you a whole new world. They want to offer you a life like you've never had before, but you're questioning everything. Three of Air, because you're afraid of being heartbroken, because this is how you've been in the past, and you're just terrified to have to deal with that again. And I don't know if you have children, but I'm feeling like it could be you're worried how this would affect your child or children, if you have any. Because bringing somebody into your life and having a relationship and then having it not work out is very difficult, not only for your child to understand, but for you to accept. And then your child keeps talking about them and it just keeps reliving everything. And then, so you don't really want to introduce your children to too many people because that gets confusing. And you feel like you have done that in the past and you're afraid of doing that. So I feel like this could have a lot to do with that. And if you don't have children, it could just be that you're just afraid of having to mend your broken heart once again. Con in the kissy bin. Well, here's the manifestation. Just like I was saying, guys, calling in your soulmate. Here it is. This is the Magician. All about manifestation, empowerment. I feel like you are... You've been manifesting love. So watch what you wish for, because when it comes, you better be ready. And I feel like you are not really ready. And this person is ready, and you're not. And I feel like that's causing maybe some issues. But I feel like this person's trying to convince you that it's going to be a beautiful new beginning, because that Ace of Swords has a crown with some criminal at the top. Like, it's like really showing you that this will be successful. And Five of Fire, resisting. There's an energy of, conflict, annoyance, and competition. So, this energy is, I feel like it's you. Just resisting because you're like, this is just different for me. This person is not normally what I go for. I'm confused. I'm conflicted. It's like, I feel like you're really, really conflicted, okay? And Justice. This is Libra energy, and this is balance. This person's offering you balance. And you know what I'm feeling, Leo? Feeling like you haven't had balance in your life with anyone, and it's scaring you of how well this is working out, and you're like, wow, that's you. Hermit mode. You really need to look at what it is that you want. Okay, take that time for you. Soul search, like I said, meditate. Take time to just know what you want, who you want, because it's this introspective self-discovery. So this is you needing to discover yourself. And this is Virgo energy. You may have Virgo in your chart, or you may be dealing with a Virgo. Okay, so let's see what your person's energies are. Okay, so let's see what is going on with Leo's person's energies. Okay, Pentacles showed up again. That's hilarious. So we've got the Eight of Pentacles. This person that you are dealing with is somebody who's very, very career-oriented, very hardworking, and very motivated in life. They don't drag their feet. They're somebody who's very accomplished. And they're focused on moving forward. And they're your soulmate. Look at you guys. You're naked, riding a rainbow unicorn. Does it get better than that? No. No. That's what they're thinking. They're just like, oh my God. It'd be like heaven on earth being with you and having a commitment with you. You know why? You're their divine counterpart. Queen of Pentacles, King of Earth is Pentacle energy. Guys, this person is your soulmate. Look at that. You guys are naked. That's vulnerable. You guys are vulnerable together. You need to let your guard down with this person. They're letting their guard down for you, and they're not getting that back from you. And just as I say that, the Four of Cups comes out. This is making them very sad. You know, they're really... I don't want to say they're losing interest, but they're not as excited as they were in the beginning because you're questioning everything, so it's kind of scaring them. And they are kind of worried about how scared you are. And they feel like, why can't you feel that we're soulmates? And it's because of what happened to you in your past that you need to let go of, guys. The Hierophant, Taurus energy. This person wants a commitment. And I had Justice here. Like, this person is like, let's move in, let's do this, let's do that. And you're like, holy crap, man, you gotta put on the brakes. Like, put on the brakes. Let's see what's going on here. So, Eight of Pentacles. I don't know if you guys hear, but there's a lot of geese that I have a lake in my backyard. I'm sure you've seen in my video. If you've watched, I posted a video about my backyard. It's like a giant lake with geese. I don't own the place, okay? I'm not like, floating in, money here or anything. King of Swords, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Could be dealing with a King of Swords, the Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. An air sign. And Page of Swords. Well. This person is, I don't know, they look at your pictures, they check out your social media, see what you're up to, maybe drive by your place. I feel like they just, they want to know as much about you as they can. I don't feel like it's weird or anything, but at least not yet. Thanks. Yay, the Three of Pentacles. Do you guys work together? You work really well together. There's just an energy of a lot of teamwork involved. This person feels like you would be a great partner because they feel that connection here of the nakedness, riding rainbows with you. So, they feel this connection like no other, Leo. Five of Cups. This person is really worried that you're going to leave. And if you do, they don't know how they would move forward without you. They don't know what to do. They're keeping an eye on you though. I feel like I don't know if this person watches what you're doing or just tries to learn a lot about you. The Devil comes out as I'm saying that. And the Devil is Capricorn energy. And the Devil, I feel like this person is enthralled with you, something fierce. They've never met anybody like you, and they are really they feel like they wouldn't be able to move forward if you didn't come with them. And it's really intense because this is soulmate energy, so I'm feeling like the chemistry for them is off the charts. They've never felt anything quite like that. Seven of Swords. This person is feeling like you are concerned and worried that they're toxic and that there's something wrong with them. And I don't know if you're telling them this or if you've dealt with that in your past, where you dealt with, people lying, cheating, stealing, doing things to you they shouldn't be doing, or doing something that they shouldn't be doing. And I'm feeling like you worry about this, and that is what is wrong with the energies right now. And right now, I mean, like, this could happen in your past, could be happening now, or may happen in your future. Whenever you watch this is when you're meant to see it. Okay, and then Queen of Pentacles, we're clarifying with the Eight of Wands. Communications, person wants to tell you, wants to communicate to you and say, hey, look, man, I'm not like that. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to treat you the way others have treated you. I respect you. This is the King of Earth, the King of Pentacles. A very, very respectful energy. I'm feeling Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And feeling like this person contacts you and they really want you to know how they feel about you. Two of Wands. I feel like they do give you an offer. They let you know, like, come on, like, you know, we could have a great life together, but they're not getting it back from you, the Ten of Wands. And for them, that's a heavy burden that they're carrying because you're stressing about the past on what happened. They're trying to move forward in the future. You're not open to it, and it's a really heavy burden for this person, and they are not happy right now. Four of Cups, because they want a future, and you're just blocked, and you just don't want to open up to this person. You do, but you're not able to. It's like you're trying, but it's not working. Ace of Wands. This person wants a fiery new beginning with their Leo. They're very playful, and I feel like they feel like that's you. You're very playful, lots of fun, and they feel like a new beginning with you would be great, but you're not wanting to move forward. So for them, it's like a roadblock. You're their wish fulfillment, Nine of Cups, and that's the energy that started your reading on this side. You're looking for wish fulfillment. You got it. Watch what you wish for, because when it comes, you better be ready. And yeah, I'm getting that energy again. And the Nine of freaking Pentacles, guys. Nine of Pentacles here, Nine of Pentacles here. Your person's single, abundant, ready, and you're their wish fulfillment. They want a new beginning, but they're burdened right now at the fact that you're just, I feel like you are just very closed off. And the Hierophant we're clarifying right now, the Five of Wands. They're wondering if there's somebody else in your life, if there's competition. And I feel like the competition, it could be your children. Because I'm feeling like there's, could be children involved here, but I didn't get that energy with the oracles, but I'm getting a little bit of that energy because there's page energy all over here, and it's an energy of youthfulness. So there could just be a big age difference if there's no children involved, maybe 5 to 15 year difference. And then we've got the Two of Pentacles. This person is trying to balance this relationship, but it's all over the place. And they're really having trouble. They're wondering what they can do to balance this situation so that they can have a future with you, a commitment with you. And the Eight of Swords. They're in a prison in their mind right now. They're just losing their shit. They're just wondering, like, how can I make this work? How can I, get Leo to move forward with me? I feel like I'm not going anywhere without Leo, and this is getting really a lot for them. And yeah, let's move on. Let's get to the extended here. So you don't pay for the extended, and people ask me where to find it. It's now, because I'm doing the energies for your person or you, because vice versa can happen. So this could be you or your person, or you or your person, whichever side you resonate with. Okay, so let's see what the energies are between the two of you guys here. And my readings sometimes can be really long because I do everything for you guys. I pull out all the energies, so I don't give you a part of it and then go, hey, pay for the rest. Because when I used to watch, when I was obsessed with watching YouTube Tarot, I didn't like that, and I never paid for extendeds. So I don't expect you guys to if I wouldn't do it. So, Knight of Pentacles. I don't try to sell something unless I believe in it. You know what I mean? So, Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving knight in tarot. And I feel like that's you, Leo. You're moving really slow. You're just like, I want to analyze this. I want to really keep an eye on. I'm not sure. I want to move forward. I'm moving forward. Just very slowly but surely. Okay. Slowly but surely. Oh mon Dieu, regarde. Ten of Pentacles, guys. Dix de denier. Ten of Pentacles is the Ten of Pentacles in French. Building a legacy. A beautiful future together. This is a married couple with the grandfather in the corner there, and the dogs and the kids. So there could be kids involved here too. You guys may both have children. Feeling like I'm feeling children, so. And the Chariot, Cancer energy. This is an energy of making a choice, and it's going to be victorious. And that's funny because the Ace of Swords comes out to victory. And I'm feeling like you guys are, but you are just, I feel like you're the one slowing things down, and your person's just like, where is this going, Leo? Is this going to go anywhere? This is the moon, Pisces energy. So your person's like, okay, I feel like I'm walking in darkness. I don't even know where we're going right now. Are we going forward? Are we going backwards? Are we going in circles? Where are we going? So let's clarify these. Okay, so let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles, please, Spirit Guides. Knight of Pentacles. Wow. The Knight of Wands. You're worried that it's just about sex, and you're worried that that's all that it's going to be, and that there's not going to be more of that because that's what you're used to people doing to you. You're used to them using you and, you know, coming and having more than just you on the go, right? Rico Suave. The Tower. I feel like it's just a shock to you. A shock that this person is not anything like this. And I feel like, I don't know if there's, yeah, this person really wants a commitment, and I feel like that's what the Tower is. And I don't know if this person's like, okay, I'm not like that. How many times do I need to tell you, Leo? How many times do I need to tell you I'm not a player? I'm not here for anything but a commitment. I want to be with you. Commitment. Hierophant. And then the Ten of Pentacles, they're like, let's build a legacy together. And I feel like you're like, well, you're not my usual type, you know, so I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here. Ace of Swords. Well, tell you that. New beginning. It's going to be victorious. And this is coming out twice. Okay, so victory for sure with the Ten of Pentacles. Oh mon Dieu, regarde qui sort. Look who comes out. The Emperor, Aries energy. This person is really abundant, ready. This is the Emperor is the father of all kings of tarot, very powerful masculine energy, and this is an energy of somebody who is, you know, in a position of power. They may own their own business, corporation, you know, they might be, you know, a CEO, or they're a doctor or a lawyer, or they're in the army, in the navy, or there's somebody of importance, and somebody who's very, very intelligent. Everyone likes to go to this person for advice, because they got their shit together, because they're so successful. And I feel like that's what the Tower is like. You're like, what the hell? You're not like this? Okay, I get it. I'm sorry. Yeah, this person is really wanting you to know this. They want to come in and express to you how they feel. And they're, I don't know, it feels like they're in a hurry. Like they don't want to miss out on a relationship with you. So I feel like they're really trying to get you to see that they're different than the rest. And the Chariot. This is a new beginning. If you walk through that path, this is a big, fat pentacle being offered to you for a new beginning. Ace of Pentacles is one of, I feel, the best aces. Because it's a brand new beginning. I feel like you're going to take the path to a new beginning. So you feel like you need to tell this person how you feel. Holy shit bonkers. Look at this. 10 of freaking cups. You got the 10 of Pentacles and the 10 of cups that come out. Happily ever after. The end. And you guys could be blending families. Look at that. There's 2 little kids here. I don't know if you guys each have one. They're dancing together. Or one of you guys have 2 kids. But I feel like there's energies of, you know. Oh, sorry. Read more than one here. The Magician. I didn't even look at the others. This is the Manifestation. You guys both manifested this. You guys both wanted a happily ever after energy with somebody. And I feel like it's coming. But there is worry. There's stress. And I feel like you're on your person's part too. They're like, is Leo ever going to bring their sunshine out? 7 of Wands. Yeah. Because they see you protecting your heart. Protecting yourself. Yeah, look again. Not letting go of your time, your energy, you're afraid. You're afraid to let go and move forward in your life. You're going to see a different perspective, and I feel like this person's going to show you a different perspective. This is Pisces energy. This is also an energy of, it's being stagnant. You're really not moving things forward with that Knight of Pentacles either. It's like things are moving very slowly, and I feel like you're going to get another perspective. See how that the light is shining around this person's head? I feel like you're like, whoa, this is like a wow moment, and I feel like you realize what you got. And I hope you do before it's gone, because this person is feeling like this is a heavy burden for them to carry. They really just want you to tell them exactly how you feel. Some of you guys I might already have, because this reading could be in your past, in your present, or in your future. They are timeless. Let's see what the soulmate energy is for you guys, Leo. So we've got, close your eyes. Whether you're in a relationship or not, focus on your soulmate. Simply breathe, relax, feel their presence. Feel your heart being filled with soft pink light, and when I read the energies to you, allow the words I read to resonate within your heart center. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Wow, I feel like this is you talking right now, Leo. I surrender all negative beliefs that no longer serve me, and I replace them with loving thoughts and intentions. From this moment on, I will only listen to the voice of love. Your love is an endless source of inspiration. You need to write that shit down, and you need to say this to yourself. Because I feel like this is this person, how they feel about you, and this is you needing to surrender. Wow. Anywho, that was deep. Okay, let's roll the dice and see if your person's name comes out. Okay, so we've got I. We've got Isabel, Isabella, Isaac, M, Mary, Marianne, Michelle, Michaela, Manuel, Murray, Mustafa, Olive, Oliver, Olivia, Oscar, O'Brien, V. So we got Valerie, Vivian, Vanessa, Vincent, Vicky, Victoria, Vince. And last but not least, Wild. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Wild again. There's only 4 wild ones with every letter of the alphabet, guys. M, again. That could be significant for some of you guys. N. So we've got Nate, Nathan, Nancy, Noreen, Nick or Nicholas, Natasha or Nat. Okay, so we're going to answer 4 questions now, Leo, from the Angel Answer Oracle. So if you're new to my channel, just pause it, and when you're ready, unpause it. Doesn't that look comfy? He's like, he doesn't move like at all. You can just like pet, except for his tail. Oh, he's purring. So answer to question number 1, Leo, within the next few weeks. Okay, and then question number 2. All right, let's. No with an exclamation. No with an exclamation mark. Okay, and let's get a bit more. Don't stop. Okay, so this is pretty much telling you not to stop and trust. I feel like there's a lot that lacks, with you in trust, because you have had your trust betrayed a lot in your life, and it's hard. And as well, if you have children, once again. I don't know why, but that just keeps popping in here with that Page of Swords. I feel like, why is there one I covered here? I just feel like you really want to make sure that this person is legit before you let them in your life, because you feel like you're vulnerable with in your life with allowing somebody else to come in that, didn't work last time, right? And you're scared, and it's understandable. A lot of people are. So to answer your 3rd question, we've got opportunity. So whatever this is going to be an abundant opportunity, and we've got it's up to you. So yeah, it's always going to be up to you. So you can decide what to do. Like I say, if you don't like your life the way it's progressing, your life is like a movie, and you're the director. You choose what direction you want to go into. Nobody's going to force you to do anything. You're your own person, and you can do what you like to do. You know, so whatever you choose, it's all up to you. And last but not least, question number 4. Look at that abundance, just like that opportunity. Like, except the change is all pouring out of her hands. This is like pouring over her head. So I don't know if you might be coming to a lot of abundance. And yes, with a freaking exclamation mark. Une exclamation qui dit oui, oui, oui. So, yeah. I feel like there's a lot of nice energies here for you guys. Leo, Leo, Leo. This person is very into you, and I feel like you are as well. You're going through a period where you're just vulnerable, scared, and perhaps because you're feeling more for this person than you've ever felt for anybody in your life, and it's scaring the shit out of you, and they're not your usual type of expectation. Okay? So Leo, Leo, we've got peace. I am unwavering in the face of fear. I come to my senses and embrace challenge. I'm determined to think with gentleness and calm. I find inner silence and become a manifestation of peace. Guys, this affirmation is beautiful because I feel like if you just write that soulmate energy down and this one down and read this to yourself on a daily basis for a little bit, you're going to get there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And if it didn't call out their letter, don't sweat it, okay? That's just for extra confirmation for a lot of people out there. Could spell their name. It could be a place you guys have in common. Could be first name, last name. Could be whatever that helps you confirm. So I just do those dice. I know some people don't understand it, but it's just additional for the people who do and enjoy it. So, yeah, anyway. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Leo. Hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe. A lot of people say they lose me, and they're just like, oh my gosh, I found you like months later. If you hit subscribe, I'll show up in your feed at the top there, and you'll see DCT at the top, and you won't be able to miss me after that. And if a blue light comes on, that means that there's a new video, and if a red light comes on, it means I'm live. So I know some people don't know those things, so I like to share that. And if you hit the bell, you can choose notifications for this reading or all my readings. And quoi d'autre? What else? We've got the merchandise here. We've got my DCT merchandise, so you can check that down below. And yep, je pense c'est tout. I think that's it. So I'm going to let you guys go, Leos. And really enjoyed this reading. And I wish you guys good luck because this was really powerful and intense. And I hope it gave you some clarity and some direction, Leo. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next reading.